Very nice.
So come on in just real quick and let's meet Chris Chapin with Company C.
Absolutely.
Chris, are you back here?
There's more of my favorite fabric.
So, and here, you all know each other.
Hi,
but
Chris.
Hi, good to see you too.
Oh my goodness, another great person here with color just oozing out of her.
Isn't this amazing?
Yes,
I
it
mean, Chris has done an amazing job. So I'm gonna stay quiet. You tell us about your collection.
In this season, so this is our third year of our partnership with Norwalk, and it's been my favorite collection. Really great.
But tell us about this rug.
It was really fun to design. The concept was to have a rug on a rug design, and typically most people end up putting a more decorative area rug on like a sisal or simpler design underneath. What we wanted to do is build it into one rug design. And you know, we had so many skeptics, oh my God, it's never gonna sell. And since we've shown it, everybody loves it. It's just different. It's not something that you see all built into one.
And I have to say that to that point, when we got the images of this in at the office for our High Point magazine product pages, I looked at this and I thought, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous, but what is Chris thinking? She sent us 2 rugs in one photo, and we can only show one. I thought it was
That's
2 different
everybody
rugs.
said, what is Chris thinking?
Also.
See, so it plays with your eye. I mean, this is
It does. They're very textural, very textural rugs.
Same here.
So this is Duet was to be kind of more for our coastal customers, and for Tango we thought of more of a kind of modern mountain style, but each has a very textural border on it, and then the patterning all within the shape. So we have a round on a rectangle and a square on a rectangle, and they come in also the runners. So they're just really fun new designs, and the fabrics for the furniture really bring them to life.
Well, and that's what Chris was saying, you know, when you're doing a design project, you start with a rug, and she does these amazing rugs, and people were saying, how do I find the right upholstery to go with it? So that's where it's been such a fun partnership.
It's really been great.
Yeah.
Plus, you guys, I'm sure, have a lot of fun together. You're very
We definitely do.
We do.
Color, color, color. But just, you know, just seeing new ways of looking at designs. They're all handcrafted products, so how we can make them be relevant today.
And you can also, this is your anniversary.
It's our 25th. Walter and I started Company C 25 years ago, so it was very exciting.
And it's your and Walter's what anniversary?
And it's our 30th.
So 5 years, and then you dove into Company C.
Yeah, we started our family and the company at the same time. So we are
No
crazy.
glutton
What were
for
we
punishment.
thinking?
I know.
Always, what were we thinking?
Well, happy anniversary.
Thank you.
Is there
And
anything
it's
in
been
here
really
we shall
fun.
see? Do we have time to see Max on the back wall?
Yes. One other really great product, and especially the way the furniture comes together for this whole group. That'll get the whole show ready. This is, again, another really fun project. We have been doing these limited edition rugs. Here we have Max in a leopard, and various species of the leopard are they're endangered, and we just thought we wanted to bring them to life. Very textural. Max is a very textural rug, but what I thought was really cool about this whole collection is what we've created as some of our rugs for Norwalk on ottomans. And here we have Plume, and the colors just really come together fabulously. The inspiration started with the rug from a Cuba cloth, a vintage Cuba, and brought that same look up into the upholstery for the fabric. So just really kind of tying it all together. And again, this too has been early read selling really well.
Wow, it's
Fun
beautiful.
collection.
Well, this has been so much fun, and we're just getting started, right?
Right.
So let's, I don't know, I'm not going to leave. I think I'm going to stick around for a while.
I know,
Just
please do.
bask in all this color here, but I love both of you so much.
Oh.
Got to get
Nice
the group
to
hug.
meet you.
And happy anniversary.
Hey, thank you.
And congratulations
Thank you.
on just
Thank you.
year after year of great success, Caroline.
Well, and you know we have great lunches, dinners, drinks, so when you all want to come in and just put your feet up,
and
this
at some
is a good place
point,
to do
we
it.
are still have a date to all go fly fishing.
You got
Yes,
it.
okay.
That is
definitely.
living
Yeah.
colorfully.
I
We
know.
are doing it.
So there you go.